A solid cylinder of circular section of diameter d and of material of specific gravity Ss. So this floats in liquid of specific gravity Sl. What is the maximum length of cylinder if equilibrium is to be stable with cylindrical axis vertical? So this kind of numerical is repeated many times in ESE. So let's see how to solve this question, and the correct answer for this question is B. So applying the condition of equilibrium is to be stable, Gm is equal to 0. So this Gm is metacentric height, which can be written as I by V minus Bg. I is moment of inertia, V is the volume, and this Bg can be calculated by taking the example of a body which is submerged in a liquid of specific gravity S. This L is the total height of body, and this small h is the height of the body which is submerged, and this is equal to specific gravity of the liquid into the total height, that is L of the body. So the first equation we can get by solving this I by V minus Bg. So it will be d square by 8h is equal to L minus h, very important. And the second one is h is equal to S into L. This is also very important. So by using these two equations, we can find out the desired relation. Substitute the second equation in first, and then after solving it, you will get L is equal to d into SL by square root of under root, that is square root of 8 into SS in bracket SL minus SS. So this is given in option B.